Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we'll be discussing about the style sheets. Using style sheets, use simple syntax for linking to style sheets. The type attribute is not necessary. That is, when you're having your link tag, you can specify the rel attribute is equal to double quote. Inside it, you write style sheet. After it, immediately you can have your href is equal to double quote. Inside it, you can select your file, which is styles.css. This does not need what? The type attribute. Short CSS rules can be written compressed like this. As you can see, short CSS rule can be written and compressed like this, while the long CSS rules should be written over multiple lines, as you can see. So when you're having short scene, maybe you want to give your CSS something, you want to give it properties. You can give it something small that you want to give, maybe like font family or font, or you want to derive background color or color. You can just give it on a row. Can be written on a row, and the long one can be written like this on multiple lines. So let's continue. Place the opening bracket on the same line as the selector. Use one space before the opening bracket. Use 2 spaces of indentation. Use semicolon after each property value. Include the last. Only use quotes around values if the value contains spaces. Place the closing bracket on a new line without leading spaces. So for instance, let's say we want to add style to this document. Let's see how our document look first. Our document look like this. Can you see? Let's say for instance we want to add style to it. We want to add style to the P element. Let's say to the P element we want to add style to it. Inside our HTML element here, we can write style element. Inside the style element, we can see background. We can select the P element and say P should have background color red. Background color red. Inside the background color, we can specify border also. Border should be black. We can do it anyhow we want. One pixel, solid. You can see this is on a line, and if the property is going to be long, you can as you can see, let me reload my document. Can you see it works? And if you notice that you want to add more things and your code is going to get long on this straight line, you cannot do indentation. You can do like this, break the gap and add whatever you want to add again. Maybe you want to add font family. This one can be here. Add whatever. Maybe you want to add font size. Let's add font family. Let's give it Algeria. We add Algeria. Can you see? It's looking nice. But just imagine you want to add everything on a straight line, it will look somehow. So that's what we are trying to say. And also in the style sheet, let's say you want to import this thing from the style through the link. You can use link. When you use the link can have the rel attribute and href attribute. It doesn't need type attribute. So that's what we are talking about. We have discussed about this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about how to import and import style sheet to our document. You can check our previous tutorial on it in HTML in our playlist on HTML CSS. This is all I want to show you for now. And to the next, Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. I wish to